Today we will learn introduction of polynomials of class 10. What is algebraic expression? Algebraic expression is the combination of constant and variable with positive, negative, multiplication, division sign. Now what is a polynomials? An algebraic expression px of the form px is equal to a0 plus a1x plus a2x square plus dot 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 plus an x to the power n, where n, a1, a2, a3 up to an are real numbers and all the indices of x are non-negative integers. It should be non-negative. It will not be positive integer, not be negative. Is called a polynomial in X, and the highest order n is called the degree of the polynomial. Let us see this is polynomial or this is not a polynomial. This expression is polynomial or this is not. 5x square plus 3x plus 5, this is polynomial because variable is x square and x, these are positive integer. This is polynomial. This expression is polynomial. And what is the degree of this polynomial? Degree is maximum, the highest indices, the highest index n is called the degree of the polynomial. Then what is the highest index of variable? This contains 1, this contains 2. Then highest degree of variable is 2. Then degree will be 2. Degree of polynomial is 2. And here it is this polynomial? This is not a polynomial because its indices is variable indices is negative, because if you write in this form 5x cube plus 3x to the power minus 5, so this is negative, indices is negative. In polynomials, indices will not be negative. So this is not a polynomial. This is not a polynomial. Now here also this is 5 by x square. So it will be equal to 5x to the power minus 2 and 2x plus 9. So this is also not a polynomial because polynomials degree must be positive integer. It is negative. That's why this is not a polynomial. Now let us see this expression 9x square minus 5x plus x. Maximum degree is, what is the maximum indices? This is 1, this is 2, x has 2. Then what is the degree of this polynomial? 2. Degree 2. There are 4 polynomials based on degree: linear polynomial, quadratic polynomial, cubic polynomial, biquadratic, quartic polynomials. Let us see what is linear polynomials. Linear polynomial of degree 1, the polynomial of degree 1 is called linear polynomial. It is of the form ax plus b, where a, b belongs to R and a does not equal to 0. If it is 0, then this term will be 0. So a will not be equal to 0. Then it will be in this form 5x plus 2. This is also linear equation, and it may be also equal to 7 because its power is 7 is also linear polynomial. It may be also in this form 8x or x plus 9. These are linear polynomials. And quadratic polynomials, what is quadratic polynomials? A polynomial of degree 2 is called a quadratic polynomial. It is of the form ax square plus bx plus c, where a, b, c belongs to R and a does not equal to 0. A will not be equal to 0 because if it is equal to 0, then this term will be 0. Then it will not be quadratic. It will be linear. So it may be in the form 5x square or 9x square plus 7 and 6x square plus 3 These are quadratic polynomials because highest degree is, or it may be in this form also, x highest degree is 2, here it is also highest degree is 2, here it is also highest degree is 2. So it is quadratic polynomial. Now cubic polynomial. What is cubic polynomial? A cubic polynomial, a polynomial of degree 3 is called a cubic polynomial. It is of the form ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d, where a, b, c, d belongs to R and a does not equal to 0. So this is in this form 5x cube plus 9, highest degree is 3, and it is also of the form 5x cube plus 3x square plus 2, or 15x cube plus 3x plus 9. Highest degree, you have to see highest degree must be 3, then it is cubic polynomials. Now come to the biquadratic or quadratic polynomials. A polynomial of degree 4 is called a biquadratic or quartic polynomial. It is of the form ax to the power 4 plus bx cube plus cx square plus dx plus e, where a, b, c, d, e belongs to R and a does not equal to 0. Condition is a does not equal to 0. So it may be in this form 9x to the power 4 or 9x to the power 4 plus 5x cube plus 9, or 2x to the power 4 plus 5x plus 2. Highest variable, highest degree will be 4. Highest indices will be 4. And all the rest will be 0 or 1 or 2. It doesn't depends. Highest degree will be 4. Then it is biquadratic. If it is 1, highest degree is 1, then it is linear. If highest degree is 2, then it is quadratic. And highest degree is 3, then it is cubic. And if highest degree is 4, then it is biquadratic.